first ever twin disc S2000 clutch that uses a stock pressure plate and a stock flywheel and stock throttle bearing. It's like this. We have our first disc, our floating disc, and our second disc, our twin disc. And then we essentially have a stock style pressure plate cover and a stock style flywheel. Normally you always have to use a proprietary flywheel with a proprietary pressure plate. And it's basically the whole clutch kit is proprietary. So if you damage the flywheel, you have to get the same exact flywheel from that twin disc or rebuild that twin disc kit. This is where it's a lot more versatile, where you can, if you damage the flywheel or the flywheel goes bad and you need another flywheel, you can just use a stock flywheel or a stock style flywheel, and you don't have to use anything proprietary to this clutch kit. Then almost all of the clutch kits, the twin disc clutch kits for S2000s out there, you change the pressure plate to a push style pressure plate versus the stock S2000s, a pull style pressure plate. And then therefore everybody always has to convert their throttle bearing to a hydraulic throttle bearing conversion kit. Comp, Clutch Masters, etc., etc. They all use that type of conversion kit. This is where we can finally use a stock throttle bearing because we're using a stock style pressure plate to make our twin disc. Mounts up like this, and then like that, and good to go. Stop. So this is our twin disc clutch. It's going to install just like a standard S2000 clutch. We use a standard clutch alignment tool. So we're just going to bolt it right up, and you gotta have to be a little careful holding the discs together. So that's it. We torqued down our pressure plate bolts, and you can see clutch is installed. Looks just like a factory style clutch, but it has twin discs in here. And we're gonna go ahead and test this out and make sure everything works out okay, and make sure we don't have any issues. Thank you.